my channel. Today we're looking at the Honda EP3500. As you can see this model here. This one I think is a new model, around 2016 or 2021. Just came into the market. It's very beautiful, nice machine. Basic parts, as you can see, is this part gets very hot. This is actually the exhaust part. Looking very closely, you can see that the carburetor is very fixed, very squeezed in there. So very small component actually, but very useful. Later we'll be looking at how to service it, how to clean it up, because most of the time when the generator doesn't start, that's actually the cause of the problem. It's a very small but powerful engine. This one can push. This is the capacity of 4 liters, the tank, and it can push, depending on the load, for more than 5 hours. That's guaranteed. So this is 3.5 horsepower model, as you can see, and then the maximum output, that is in terms of amperes, kiloamperes, that is 3.5. Now if you convert that into kilowatts or wattage, that should be around 2500 watts, or roughly 2.6 kilowatts. So this is a very good start for a machine like this. It can go for several hours depending on the appliances that you have there.